Hi, I'm Angel Bonch. I'm here at InfoComm at the Analog Way booth, and we're showing color matching with the Aquilon platform. And I'm actually from Red Rock Ops, and I'm a customer of Analog Way, and I also own the RS platform. And the reason I love this platform is Analog Way is the only company that has high-res switchers in the industry that allows for LUTs, or lookup tables. Lookup tables are like parametric EQs for audio. And so what we're doing here is we're actually color matching displays. This is going to be a really short introduction. This goes more in depth. But what we're doing is we have a CalMan system. We have two CalMan system, and we also have Pomfret LiveGrade. And that's how we're able to generate the LUTs. We're calibrating because color is important to corporate clients. We have clients in the cinema, broadcast, digital signage, geospatial, medical, and color is very important to all those people. And so we're offering workflows through CalMan. We have an Analog Way 3D LUT creation. So this creates those LUTs, those EQ presets that allow color to be calibrated into monitors. And so we put that right into the Analog Way RCS web platform, and then we can trigger those directly. And so if you look at the monitor real quick, we can calibrate the monitor. If you notice, we go from uncalibrated to calibrated. And then the other thing we can do is color replacement with a LUT. And so here we go, we're going to come up on the next scene. And with that, we're able to turn this red into a purple. And what that matters is, you see how we can actually replace just the color in her lips, or we can target colors. This matters in auto shows and trade shows. We want to change, say, like a Ferrari red to another color. Well, the thing is that Analog Way is the only platform in the industry that has this color capability. Actually, it has 104 LUT boxes. Usually, you use one LUT box, it's about $3,000, and doesn't give you the power through connections. With our LUT boxes, you can do DP, HDMI, or SDI, something that the industry doesn't allow. It also allows it at 444, 12-bit. It's high quality and low latency. And so we're the only ones in the industry that have that much power. And ask us about how to color your next workflow and how to actually come out and get your corporate colors right. And we're available at analogway.com. I'm Angel Bonch. I'm with Red Rock Ops. I'm through Analog Way, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, give us a call.